Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us for this update from your coronavirus headquarters. I'm Jordan Fremstead. The Senate has passed a bill aimed at keeping people employed during the coronavirus pandemic, and now it heads to the House for a vote there. This comes as President Donald Trump is focused on reopening the economy and getting the 22 million Americans currently on unemployment back to work. Skylar Henry has more details from the White House.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi says she believes the House will pass a nearly $500 billion stimulus package tomorrow.
We're in a tradition of having this be the fourth bill that we will be passing in a bipartisan spirit.
The deal includes $310 billion for small business loans to keep workers on the payroll, $60 billion of which will be set aside for smaller banks and lenders.
Until we can begin to open up the economy, we can't spend enough money to solve the problem.
It also includes $25 billion for coronavirus testing.
We will not get America moving again until we have a nationwide, well-thought-out, well-executed testing program.
While the stimulus package was designed to keep workers employed, President Trump says he's taking another step to ensure American citizens are the first to be hired as the economy reopens.
It would be wrong and unjust for Americans laid off by the virus to be replaced with new immigrant labor flown in from abroad.
The president says he'll sign an executive action today to suspend immigration. It's expected to pause green cards for 60 days.
By pausing immigration, we'll help put unemployed Americans first in line for jobs as America reopens. So important.
The president says the order will not impact workers coming to America on a temporary basis. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.
House Speaker Pelosi accuses the president of issuing his immigration order as a way to distract from what she calls the failure of the administration to respond to the coronavirus pandemic. Minnesota is reporting more than 2,700 people infected with coronavirus and at least 179 deaths. No new cases are being reported in Winona County. In Iowa, there are 45 in Allamakee County and 8 in Wenatchee County. The entire state now has more than 3,700 people who have tested positive and 90 people have died. The Wisconsin legislature is seeking a lawsuit against Governor Evers' extension of the Safer at Home order. Republican lawmakers asked the state Supreme Court to block an extension of the Democratic governor's stay-at-home order. The lawsuit was expected after Governor Tony Evers' health secretary last week ordered non-essential businesses to remain closed until May 26th. The original stay-at-home order had been scheduled to end this Friday. Here's a look at the latest numbers of COVID-19 being reported in Wisconsin. There are 4,600 positive cases and at least 244 people have died. Once again, no new cases are being reported in La Crosse County and 25 of the 26 cases have recovered. There are about 3,000 businesses in the city of La Crosse alone, according to the La Crosse Chamber of Commerce, and many are temporarily closed because of the coronavirus pandemic. But Pearl Street Brewery is one small business in our area staying open. A co-owner says they've lost 95% of their business and are only doing carryout sales through their tasting room and are still selling beer to liquor stores and grocery stores. But the loss in business is not only having negative effects on the brewery.
You really never understand the full chain of sales. So when we started seeing the impact that it was going to have on our business partners, the bars and restaurants, people we've been doing business with, some of them for 21 years, that's kind of when we got that full realization that it's not like just us. We're impacting our vendors, our customers are impacting us, and it's so integrated.
If you would like to help support local businesses, just visit the La Crosse Bar and Restaurant Relief Fund Facebook page for more information. The latest event to be canceled in our area due to the COVID-19 precautions is the Big Blue Dragon Boat Festival. The annual event supports Mayo Clinic Health System's Center for Breast Care and the Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater La Crosse. Organizers say they are already looking forward to hosting the event in the future. The Big Blue Dragon Boat Festival Committee is beginning to refund team registration fees. As healthcare workers continue to work long hours, one local business is looking to swap out their scrubs for wedding gowns. The Wedding Tree is launching a Hometown Hero giveaway to help area healthcare workers. Wedding dresses up to $2,000 in value will be donated to a few Hometown Heroes nominated by the public. Anyone in the area can nominate someone on the Wedding Tree's website up until April 30th. Winners will be announced May 10th. Thank you so much for joining us on this coronavirus update, and you can always get the latest information anytime on our website at news8000.com or download our mobile app. And we hope to see you tonight at 5, 6, and 10.